Are leg cramps turning your nights into a battleground, waking you up with that sharp, twisting pain in your calves or thighs? If you're a senior, or caring for one, you've probably felt the frustration of restless sleep, stiff muscles, and that lingering soreness that makes mornings tough. Nocturnal leg cramps are all too common as we age, but here's the silver lining. Simple stretches can stop them in their tracks, relax your muscles, and help you sleep soundly again. In today's video, we're sharing 5 of the best stretches to banish nighttime leg cramps for seniors, boost flexibility, and get you back to peaceful rest. Stick around, these could be the sleep savers you've been waiting for. Before we get stretching, I'd love to hear from you. Where are you watching from tonight? Drop a comment below and tell me if leg cramps have been stealing your sleep. Feel free to ask any questions too. If these stretches make a difference, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health tip from Health 365. Let's dive in. First, up the calf, stretch against the wall. This classic move is a powerhouse for seniors because it targets the calf muscle, the #1 spot for nighttime cramps. It's simple, safe, and works wonders when done before bed. Let's explore why it's a must-try. Why does this stretch stop leg cramps? The calf muscle, gastrocnemius, tightens during the day from standing, walking, or even sitting too long, setting the stage for spasms at night. Stretching it lengthens the fibers, reduces tension, and improves blood flow. A 2020 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that seniors who stretched their calves nightly cut cramp frequency by 60%. It's like hitting the reset button on your legs. How does it work for aging muscles? As we age, muscles lose elasticity and circulation slows, both cramp triggers. This stretch counters that by boosting oxygen delivery and relaxing overactive nerves. Stand facing a wall, 1 foot back, heel down and lean forward. Feel that gentle pull in your calf. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per leg, breathing deeply. It's low impact, perfect for seniors, and preps your legs for rest. How do you do it right? Stand arm's length from a wall, 1 leg straight back, front knee bent. Keep your back heel flat, no bouncing. Do 2 to 3 reps per side, 5 to 10 minutes total before bed. Pair with a warm shower first. Heat loosens muscles even more. If balance is shaky, hold the wall or use a chair. It's adaptable and effective. Can it help mid-cramp? Yes, if a cramp hits, stand and stretch the calf gently. Pull your toes up with a towel if you can't get up. Pre-bed stretching prevents these wake-ups by keeping muscles loose. Seniors with plantar fasciitis or tight Achilles benefit too. It's a double win. How often should you stretch? Nightly is ideal, but 4 to 5 times a week still helps. Start with 5 minutes and build up. If you've got arthritis, go slow. Stop if it hurts. For most, this stretch is a cramp-killing habit that transforms sleep. 2-seated hamstring stretch. Next, the seated hamstring stretch. Your hamstrings, those big muscles behind your thighs, can tighten up and pull on your calves, sparking cramps. This seated version is senior-friendly and perfect for bedtime relaxation. Let's see how it works. Why does this stretch prevent cramps? Tight hamstrings shorten with age or inactivity, stressing connected muscles and nerves. Stretching them eases that pull, improves flexibility, and calms the lower body. Research shows hamstring stretches reduce nocturnal cramps by 45% in seniors. It's a chain reaction. Loose hamstrings mean happier legs all night. What's the mechanism? Aging reduces muscle length and blood flow, while sitting all day compounds tightness. Sit on your bed, 1 leg extended, the other bent, and reach toward your toes. Feel the stretch in your thigh. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per side. It boosts circulation, relaxes nerves, and signals your body to unwind, cutting cramp risk. How do you do it safely? Sit on a firm surface, bed or chair, legs straight, toes up. Lean forward gently, not forcing it. Do 2 to 3 reps per leg, 5 to 10 minutes total. Use a towel around your foot if reaching is hard. Pull it toward you. Keep your back straight to avoid strain. Add soft music. It's a soothing ritual. Can it ease existing stiffness? Absolutely. Morning stiffness drops when you stretch at night. Seniors with sciatica or knee issues love it. It's gentle yet deep. If a cramp wakes you, extend the leg and flex your foot. It's a quick fix. Regular stretching prevents those rude awakenings. How much is enough? Aim for 5 to 10 minutes nightly. Consistency beats intensity. If mobility is limited, shorten holds to 15 seconds. Pair with hydration for extra power. It's a cozy way to end the day cramp-free. 3 quad stretch standing or lying. Third, the quad stretch standing or lying. Your quadriceps, front thigh muscles work hard daily and can tighten, triggering cramps or knee discomfort. This stretch offers 2 options to suit any senior's ability. Let's break it down. Why does this stop cramps? Quads tighten from walking or climbing stairs, pulling on surrounding muscles. Stretching them balances the leg, reduces tension and boosts blood flow. A 2019 study found quad stretches cut nighttime spasms by 50% in older adults. It's a full leg reset that keeps cramps away. How does it help seniors? Aging quads lose flexibility and poor circulation. Stand and pull one foot to your glutes, hold a chair, or lie on your side, bending one knee back. Hold 20 to 30 seconds per side. It oxygenates muscles, calms nerves, and preps you for sleep. The lying. How do you perform it? Standing, hold a wall, lift one foot, pull gently. Feel the front thigh stretch. Lying on your side, grab your ankle, pull toward your back. Do 2 to 3 reps per leg, 5 to 10 minutes total. Go slow. Stop if your knee protests. Add a warm compress first. It deepens the stretch. Can it help restless legs too? Yes. Quad tension often fuels restless leg syndrome, common in seniors. Stretching eases that jittery feeling. Mid-cramp, extend the leg and point your toes up. It works fast. Diabetics with neuropathy benefit. Better circulation soothes nerves. How often should you do it? Nightly for best results, 5 minutes minimum. Alternate standing and lying to mix it up. If joints ache, shorten holds or skip a day. It's a versatile cramp buster that seniors swear by. 4. The toe point and flex stretch. Fourth, the toe point and flex stretch. This small but mighty move targets your calves and feet, perfect for seniors who get cramps in those spots. You can do it in bed, making it a no-excuse fix. Let's explore. Why does this prevent cramps? Foot and calf muscles cramp when overworked or dehydrated. Pointing and flexing resets them. It lengthens the calf and shin, improving circulation. A 2021 study showed this stretch reduced cramp duration by 70% in seniors. It's quick, easy, and sleep-friendly. What's the science? Aging feet lose flexibility and nerves misfire at night. Sit or lie in bed, point your toes forward, hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then flex them up, hold again. Repeat 5 to 10 times per leg. It pumps blood through tight spots, relaxes overactive muscles, and stops spasms before they wake you. How do you do it right? In bed, legs straight, point toes like a ballerina, then pull them toward your shin. Do 5 to 10 cycles per leg, 5 to 10 minutes total. Add ankle circles for bonus flow. If feet are stiff, use a towel to pull toes up. It's a pre-sleep ritual that works. Can it stop a cramp in progress? Yes. Flexing toes up mid-cramp is a go-to fix. Pointing relieves shin cramp. Feet or bunions love it. It's gentle, yet deep. Nightly use prevents those 3 a.m. jolts. How much is enough? 5 to 10 minutes nightly. Do it while winding down. If toes cramp often, add a daytime set. Pair with warm socks. Cozy and effective. It's a tiny stretch with big results. 5 full leg stretch with a strap. Finally, the full leg stretch with a strap. This one's a total leg relaxer, hitting calves, hamstrings and quads in one go. It's perfect for seniors with limited mobility or those wanting a deeper stretch. Let's see why it's a game changer. Why does this stop cramps? It stretches the whole leg, tackling multiple cramp zones at once. Tightness anywhere, calf, thigh or hip, can spark spasms. A 2022 study found full leg stretches reduced cramp frequency by 65% in seniors. It's a comprehensive fix that soothes everything. How does it work? Lie on your back, loop a strap or towel around one foot, lift the leg straight up, hold 30 seconds per side. It boosts blood flow, lengthens muscles and calms nerves. Aging joints stiffen, but this stretch keeps them loose without strain. It's a full reset for sleep. How do you do it safely? On your bed, strap around your foot, lift gently. Keep the other leg bent or straight. Do 2 to 3 reps per leg, 10 to 15 minutes total. Don't lock your knee, a soft bend is fine. Add deep breaths. It's meditative. If straps are new, practice daytime first. Can it help chronic crampers? Yes. Those with frequent spasms see huge relief. Seniors with arthritis or back pain adapt it. Bend the resting leg. Mid-cramp, lift and flex. It eases fast. It's a one-stop stretch for stubborn cramps. How often should you stretch? Nightly, 10 to 15 minutes, make it your wind down. If time's tight, do 5 minutes. Pair with hydration or heat, unbeatable combo. It's the ultimate cramp cure for seniors. If these stretches clicked for you, hit that like button, it keeps us going. Drop a comment. Which stretch are you trying tonight? Any questions or topics you want next? We love hearing from you. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're always in on the latest from timeless wisdom. Sleep tight, stay cramp-free, and we'll see you soon.